What are you looking for? Your twin flame? So, what your twin flame union is going to give you? Are you both going to marry each other, have a family and kids? That's your dream? Are you single or are you in a narcissistic marriage or marriage that feels so dead? You doesn't feel lovable or don't feel alive. It's really bothering you. So what actually you want with this twin flame things? So your twin flame is your mirror, right? So what they are showing you that you feel so much love, you're drawn to them, you're obsessed with them. So if they are your mirror, usually what we see in this mirror, we see our own reflection. So all the love that you want to share with them is what? It's all the love that you want to give you as yourself. So you want to feel so much loved unconditionally, right? But why they are running away? Because you are focused on them. So it's nothing wrong. So what your twin flame is calling you to do, when you focus on them, you forget the world. You only think about them because they are your mirror. So in mirror who you see yourself. You see divine in them. You want to unite with them. So actually who they are reflecting, it is you. All your suffering, you feel so non-aligned with yourself, not happy with yourself. So they are calling in for that you want to become yourself, you want to marry yourself. So they are just reflecting that desire, they are igniting that desire in the 3D. So all this obsession, all this chasing, all that, that's nothing wrong. That's the path towards inner union. How the inner union will come? It all comes with the desire, with the confusion, all that, right? So it is you. You have to marry yourself. But how do you do that? So end of all this chasing, you feel so ready to unite with them. You finally have that desire to have that divine love. You deserve so much love when you decide that, when you're ready. So all that they are reflecting to you, right? So now through them you are loving yourself. You are attaining that inner union. But for that what you have to do? I'll cover in the next video.